వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. From episode 2, we are continuing. In India, at 5:30 am, the maximum number of population, school children, going to coaching centers, going from remote villages, they are going to coaching centers for education. Atyahara. So you have to decide what level should we accept different things for yourself to Krishna. Building too many temples, Atyahara. You can't maintain them. What is the point of maintaining? Having too many dresses for deities, Atyahara. If you have a program recycling them to congregation members and so on, it's okay, but how can you maintain the so many things? It's not possible. We got limited space, so we must have a clear thinking program. What is actually beneficial? Many Hindi temples, they have gone into by Atyahara. It's a fact. Previously, they did not have Sai Baba deities. Now, every temple have a Sai Baba deity, Navagraha deities, Lord Ganesh deities, Lord Subramanyam deities, Lord Ayyappa Swami deities, Lord Shiva deities, all deities in one temple. Every temple, there is a special small mandir for him and so on. Too many temples, too many vehicles for the temple. We are facing the consequences. Too many vehicles. We don't have parking place. We park in railway station and park there with a parking ticket. We have to walk from mandir to railway station for that. This is Atyahara. In every field there is Atyahara. So many ways we are doing Atyahara. It will be a good exercise to do. To make a list of things which you are not sure, which you really not them or not. That means which you really not important or not. Ideas, books. Yes, ideas are Atyahara. They consume your mind like anything. We have so many ideas of how to preach, how to spread Krishna consciousness, interplanetary society. Really have so many ideas. You have not executed one idea also. But so many thoughts. This is all Atyahara. So we have to be very, very careful of this principle. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur makes a differentiation between renunciant and grihasthas in this. Renunciant not have a bank card at all. They should not. If someone is thinking, how I can maintain myself tomorrow, is not fit for initiation or renunciate. He can't calculate how I myself maintain tomorrow. He can't be renunciant. So for some practical reasons, one may have a bank account for serving Krishna. The guiding principle is to serving Krishna is not insecurity of how I maintain myself. Just in case ISKCON moment and no one is a devotee, it is not a renunciant position. On the other hand, the Grihastha enjoined 25% income for emergency. If he does not do that, he will do prayasa. Understand this point. Understand this point. They indulge in prayasa because you are in great anxiety. To make up that anxiety, you will go for prayasa. The best policy is you go for responsibility for family. 25% of your income. In case you miss your job, in case something happened either to your family or yourself, at least you have an emergency fund to lie on. One should dedicate 50% income for spreading Krishna consciousness. This is something Grihasthas are unable to do nowadays because they are not deeply considering this is actually possible. It is actually possible if you do it. Vedic families are joint family model. In joint family model is the link to run the social structure, social system. Especially when there is Krishna in center, you can do so much. For example, temple is a joint family model. Of course, joint family model. One member works and all others sit. That's not a joint family. But a joint family has so many advantages. You can have so many children. Nowadays, a couple may maximum 1 or 2 children. When our parents actually maintained 6 or 7 children easily. How? Because they lived in a joint family. It is not on all on one person. When she was bearing a child, after other will do other things. She got cow protection. When she was raising children, others to have. It's a beautiful social system that had been spoiled purposely by the capitalist society. Because capitalists, they really want everybody should have a TV in the room. Not just the house. One TV for child, one TV for mother, one TV for father, one in the kitchen appear, one in the bathroom. That's the program. Therefore, they divided the joint family system when people would be inexpensively. This purposely done. It is based on consumerism. That's why it broke the backbone of joint family system. If Grihastha somehow or get the stage of cooperatively living together, we will completely defeat the capitalist system. They will not be able to sell anything. Anybody will come. We already have one. Then you can easily give 50% of your income. Now, if you give 50%, you will give 50% your anxiety also. We should work towards this. For that, the problem is this. This is the episode 3. Today we discuss it. In next episode we will continue. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Ananta Koti Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bol.